Hey guys, very good morning, Fabio here, and I hope you guys are all doing well. So the algorithm took its first trade. VIP members are really looking forward to see how this trade is going to be going. Currently in, I think, about 2.8% profit. If you want to check, just go to my FX book. Link is on the website down below in the description. And without further ado, let's see what the dollar pairs are going to be doing. So yeah, let's dive in. So first of all, looking over here at the dollar index, and this is kind of what I meant yesterday, right? So we've now currently seen a fake out on that swing low over here at around 94.670 or 93.670, excuse me. Furthermore, we kind of have like this wedge formation, which is currently maturing. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do start seeing more upside. Yeah, I would really love to see some more upside. Looking at the daily as well, daily is really rejecting some downside now after faking out on that swing low. A little bit more upside back up, at least in towards this area of imbalance within the market. So a little bit higher up towards over here. That would be preferable. And yeah, let's just see what happens once we reach that trend line, because at that trend line we can then either reject, go back down, or we can of course start breaking out, let's say create a new higher high, and yeah, structure will change. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for. First area of real resistance would have to be this level over here at around 94.115, and after that 94.392 or 352, excuse me. So yeah, that's kind of like the resistance levels that I'm looking at. Once we see a breakout, preferably we would just move straight in towards this level over here, then of course see the pullback, and then further continuation in towards 94.777. So yeah, that is kind of what I'm looking at on the dollar index for now. Let's say we do not start moving up higher, of course, also a possibility. Then I'll just be waiting until either a double bottom or of course a crash down lower. So yeah, that's the dollar index for you. Let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar, guys, so not a big fan of Aussie dollar at the moment. Going in towards the 4 hour, what can we see over here? So on the 4 hour we have some liquidity situated over here at around 0.75055, but yeah, not a big fan of it. Looking at the daily as well, no clear areas of daily supply and demand, at least not real fresh areas of daily supply and demand. So yeah, as you guys can see, we saw initial rejection of 0.74398 once we initially came in towards this zone. However, the bullishness on this pair is just out of this world. Quickly diving in towards the weekly time frame, what can we see on the weekly time frame? Oh, that's the wrong indicator. So looking at the 50% body candle indicator, we are currently situated in imbalance, guys. So we have just tapped in towards this area of imbalance within the market. So this is kind of the area from where we should reject, in my opinion. Furthermore, creating kind of this double top structure over here could make Aussie dollar start pushing down lower very, very soon. So yeah, as you guys can see, we are currently, just straight away moving back out of that area of weekly imbalance. So let's see, guys, what we need to see for any potential trades is some new structure. As we can see, this current structure is just hideous for the strategy that I use, so therefore not really actively going to be trading Aussie dollar in any way or given form. You could look at the 1 hour, wait for that 1 hour trend line break essentially, and then wait for, let's say, a push down, break at least this area of structure, and then you could look for potential shorts due to the fact that we are coming from that area of weekly imbalance. However, not a massive fan, would prefer to watch some other pairs. So yeah, that's Aussie dollar for you. Let's head over to euro dollar. So euro dollar, guys, looking at euro dollar on the daily time frame. So what we can currently see is that the daily just keeps faking out on that swing high. Just quickly going to be deleting these fibs and some of these lines just to keep it a little bit more clean at the moment. So as you guys know, we just missed out on that area of daily imbalance or daily supply, minor daily supply over here at around 1.16812, which I mentioned yesterday. Going in towards the 4 hour, what is happening over there? Yeah, not that much. Would still prefer for us to move up a little bit higher for really seeing any reversal. So if we do see more downside, what levels will I be watching? This level over here and this level over here. So first stop 1.16217, after that 1.15841, and after that 1.15564 for support forming. So all these levels which we have over here, are our support forming levels, and from there we could see some further upside, at least in towards 1.16812. So yeah, that's euro dollar. Let's over to pound dollar. And pound dollar, guys, so pound dollar moved up in towards the highs, currently rejecting from this area of supply on the 4 hour. Going in towards the daily, this is also our area of supply, which I mentioned multiple times this week already. So if we see a pound drop, or a pound dollar drop, excuse me, this is the region from where I expect the drop to start commencing. Furthermore, we also have a 786 Fibonacci retracement. So yeah, let's keep an eye, guys. And how are we going to be able to take some shorts? Well, diving in towards the 1 hour or the 4 hour, whatever time frame you want to go into. What I would preferably do is just draw in a trend line like this, or I would draw in a trend line like this, kind of what your preference is, and then just wait for that breakout to commence and then to start looking for some shorts. Preferably look at 4 hour, see if any 4 hour levels start forming, and then we can start looking for those trades. So yeah, at the moment I see a possible level starting to form of supply over here. So let's see, guys, 1.37988. If we do start breaking and pushing down lower, that's kind of the level that I'm going to be looking for potential shorts. So yeah, let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar is pretty bullish. It is looking good now, because why is it looking good? Well, we've now seen a beautiful fake out on the swing high over here, touch that level which I mentioned in yesterday's outlook to absolute perfection, touch the base of this imbalance candle over here at 0.71779. So now we can start looking for shorts, in my opinion, very soon. Kind of the same as on pound dollar, Aussie dollar. We have this trend line over here, just going to be waiting for this trend line to break, wait for structure to break, and then we can look for potential shorts. If nothing like that happens, no real entries, then yeah, just let it fly up higher until we do see some structural breaks. But yeah, for the moment, Kiwi dollar is looking very good from this area to start pushing back down once again. So yeah, guys, gold is going to be discussed on Discord. So if you want to see gold analysis, make sure to join Discord. Furthermore, thank you all for watching once again. I really appreciate your support. Don't forget to press the like button, and I wish you all a fantastic day. Thanks, guys.